Hi, welcome back to the short tutorial. In this video, I will teach you how to add more than 35 pictures on the TikTok. So if you use TikTok templates to make a video with pictures, it is very limited. You can use up to 4 to 10 pictures. But in this video, I will show you how to add more than 35 pictures on the TikTok. So how you can do it? To do this, first of all, you have to open your Play Store, and right here you have to search for the simply you have to download this application from the Play Store. If you are using Android or iPhone, you can download on the both OS. So once you will do it, after that open it. Now click a new project. Once you will do it, you have to select the pictures, or you can add videos according to your choice. So once you will do it, you can add much videos or the picture according to you can upload 35 to 50 or 100. It's up to you. You can upload your pictures on this, and once you will do it, you can easily create a video with more than 35 pictures on the TikTok. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question or any confusion, just drop a comment. I will try to help you. Thank you.